Okay, welcome to the Instructor's Corner. I'm Mr. Latteroot, and today we are going to learn how to set the X0 on the TL1 lathe, and we're going to set it on a piece of 1-inch diameter stock. Now, we want to set the 0 at the 1-inch dimension, so what we need to do is take a skim cut on the part that I have in here. It's raw stock, it's a 1-inch diameter bar. And I'm going to take a skim cut, and then I'm going to measure it and set the 0, and I'm going to show you the steps of how to do that. So let's get started. First, we're going to turn on our machine. Okay. Now, I'm going to bring my tool over the part, and I'm going to bring the X in just till I barely make contact with the material. I don't want to take a deep cut or anything. I just want to go just till I touch. Okay, now I come off the part. I'm going to go in just a couple of thousandths, and then I'm going to cut on the Z. I'm going to dial over slowly until I get a piece that's about 3/8 long. That's all I need, just enough to fit the micrometer onto the part so that I can take a measurement and be able to find out where my tool is at the moment. So, okay, so now I've finished turning that small section that I can measure. I've put the micrometer on the piece, and I'm going to get a measurement of what that measures. Okay, so we take a look at what we have here, and it looks like it measures 978 and a half. Now, I'm going to call that 978 because I like when my diameter is about a half a thou bigger than I want it to be, because that leaves me room to polish when I'm done the job, and that will always have a, the dimension will be exactly on when I'm done polishing it. Okay, so now I've got my dimension, and I know that I am approximately 22 thousandths smaller than 1 inch. So, in order to set my 0 at 1 inch, I would need to first hit the position button until the screen turns white here. Okay, then I would come down below and I would press X minus 0.022, and then I come up and I press the origin button, and when I do, you're going to see the operator now changes to 22. So if I take 22 plus 978 that I measured on the diameter, that equals 1 inch. So that means that my 0 is now set at 1 inch. So if I were to move this number right now to 0 and take a cut, that would now cut at exactly 1 inch diameter. And that is how you set the X0 for a 1 inch diameter. Thanks for joining us on this, and we'll talk to you later.